back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It is wine and wigs day. Clink, 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 clink. This straw is ignorant. I'm sorry. Flat iron hair. This is the Beautyforever Jerry Curly. Why I gotta hold it like this? This is the Beautyforever straight to Jerry Curly wig in 24 inches long. It is a V-part wig, and let me show you what the V-part is looking like. We have 5 combs around the perimeter of the V-part, and then we have 3 combs, 3 sliding combs around the perimeter of the head. So it comes in a beautiful straight texture, and I want y'all to look at this. Like, it is bone straight. I was thinking, like, is she gonna curl in a second? Like, what? It's not silky. It's not quite silky. It feels like a really good silk press, like a real good silk press. Although she is straight now, she's supposed to get to a Jerry Curly texture. Now, y'all tell me what's Jerry Curly, because I don't quite know what Jerry Curly is. So we'll see when we start to wet her and get her all curly. So before I clip them in, I'm not doing that this time because it ends up tugging and snagging on all my hair. So let's go ahead and size her up, make sure she's correct, and then we're just gonna slide these sides right on in. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, so we have a lot of flyaways because my hair has been fried, dyed, and blow dried. So I'm just gonna take a wax stick and I'm just gonna lay down the rest of the hair. There's no need for me to hit it one more time with the flat iron because the natural texture of the hair matches my hair. Like, we got the same hair. Take this and I'm just gonna, this is a ZLA wax stick. Okay, let me change real quick so we can get a whole vibe, and then I'll be back with the finished look. Then we're gonna move on to look 2. Y'all see this? This is the finished straight look. This is look number 1. Okay, let me give you the features. It's featuring no edges out. Don't pull it back too far. It's an IEC. Ooh, girl, blend that contour. It's giving. This is our look number 1. Now we need to transition to curly. So we need to get out our essential supply. I could use some water too, but my water is a little bit musty. Y'all know y'all have musty water in your water bottle. So we're just gonna add it to the hair, and now we're gonna wait until she curls up. We need her to curl. I want to see what the curl's gonna give. So I'm gonna take my Evolve 572 brush and I'm just gonna brush it through, see if I can work some of this product through. And I'm gonna see if the hair is just gonna, there she goes. She's starting to curl. This is what the curls are looking like. Oh, the roots are still straight though. Uh-oh. That's when it look a mess. I didn't get up in the roots, so let me get up in these roots too, because that's when it really look crazy. So let me add some. So we're gonna let the hair curl up again, and then we're just gonna work through the rest of the hair. Girl, I got like 10 minutes to curl this side up. Get even. I've already been doing this for 10 minutes. Look at the curly side, look at the straight side. Which one do you like better? Let me go ahead and finish it, but this is what it's looking like. This is curly, it's still wet. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the other side, but girl, it is giving. And then we're gonna work on, y'all, this is the finished look, and I got to tell you that this hair is, oh, hold on. We're not doing this. So this is the finished look. This is the curl. It is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. The texture is gorgeous. When it's straight, it is beautiful. When it's curly, it is beautiful. Like, let me get up close. Like, look at that. Look at those curls. And, oh, girl, why don't y'all tell me? It's giving. Let me show you what it looks like in the back. Hopefully I did it right in the back, because the back be looking a little bit funny because I can't see behind my head. But I'm so excited. V-part wigs are that girl. We're in love. So y'all tell me which one you like better. I can't really tell if I like the straight or the curly. I would say curly because it's easier to blend my hair. It doesn't like stick up, but I love the straight texture. Y'all tell me which texture is your favorite. Y'all let me know down below. With all that being said, I want to say thank you to Beautyforever Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. Before we jet up out of here, I want to provide you all with a coupon code because we don't go nowhere unless we exchange coupons, okay? If you would like to save some money on your unit and get some money off, you can use the coupon code beautyytb for $20 off. That is beautyytb for $20 off. Save you some money, girl. It's summertime. We got 30 outfits to buy. I'll leave the link for this wig and the coupon code down below. Thank you so much for, girl, I ain't got no water, no nothing. I love you all. Pretend there's water in here. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.